Hi Andrew, this is the feature where you can replace a line item name in the PDF report. So you can add as many as you want. So let's just replace a couple here. We'll do that one and we'll do that one. Let's see where they are. Okay, so we're going to replace those two in the printed report. Just enter a new name for these, so we'll call it Mike's Bank Account. And this one we'll call Andrew's Bank Account. Save the rules. And now we print the report. I'll just pause it while that's getting done because it's the same as we've seen before. Okay, and here's the final report here. So there's Mike's bank account replacing one of those items there. And for the other one we have to go down to the notes, and there's that one there. So you can pretty much do this for all the items in your printed report. So give that a try and let me know if you come across any bugs or anything like that. Just make sure when you do this just to save that so it's stored for that entity, and these rules will all get saved in the data block.